Hello everybody, I am back with another Fun Delivered box. I got my 2 boxes in the mail today and I could not wait to open some of these packages because they are driving me nuts. So I am going to split this box into 2. There are 10 packages in this box, so this is a chintzier box. Some of the packages are bigger. Say hello to Scarlett here in the background. She is going to be our model for the video. Ah! Oh, here comes Gemma. We have 2 models. Gemma and Scarlett are going to unbox this Fun Delivered box together. And I am going to do this in 2 videos. There's a very good chance that in this video, I am going to also be doing a giveaway. And in order to enter the giveaway, you must be publicly subscribed and you must like and comment in the comment section what you like in this box. And if it's something that I don't want to keep, I will pick a winner when I am done with the unboxing of the entire box, hopefully by the end of this week, and then it'll be up next week. I will pick the winner at random, and you will win whatever you comment down below, as long as it's something that I don't want to keep. Problem is with these dang boxes is I happen to keep getting stuff that I want to keep it all, and it's not doing me any good because I'm trying to try my hand at some reselling also. So that doesn't help when, you know, I want to resell and I want to keep it all too. So just, they don't mix. But anyway, let's get on with this unboxing. 5 packages out of my box that only has 10. I'm going to start with this blue right here. This is actually wrapped by Fun Delivered. It arrived to them open, so they actually rewrapped it to keep the unboxing a surprise, which is always fun with Fun Delivered. If you are not familiar with Fun Delivered, you are buying mail that has either not gotten to its destination, it's been returned, or it's an overstock item. It's a complete mystery. We do not know what is in these boxes, and it is a boat of fun. It's extremely addicting also. So if you go to fundelivered.com and you look at these and you buy one, you are not going to want to stop buying them. It's that much fun. Anyway, I also want to shout out, if you are a person who likes to watch these Fun Delivered unboxings, there are a few people that I am watching and thoroughly enjoying, and one of them is Susan Likes This and That. Go over to her channel. She is absolutely wonderful with her unboxings. She's very thorough. She goes through everything, and I just really enjoy watching her. Another lady named Cheryl on Us Talking More Shopping, and I will have everything right up here. She does giveaways on every single unboxing she does, and she does them quite often. So, again, you just have to be publicly subscribed to her and like her video, comment in her section what you want, and if you win, she will send that out to you. So check her out. Another one is New York Grandma, and her brother do unboxings, and he is Gregory Brower, I believe. And you can check them out too because they do a lot of these Fun Delivered unboxings too. And they do all kinds of them. They do tiny packages, big packages, these plus size packages. They do it all over there. So check those people out if you like these kind of videos. And also me, of course, because I've been doing quite a few of them too. And again, like and subscribe. These items in this box could be yours if you're picked. Enough with my long-windedness. Let's get opening these 5 packages for the day. And I am really curious of what is in this one. Ooh, a book. Outlive the Science and Art of Longevity. Huh. Praise for Outlive. Outlive completely transformed my approach to growing old. Peter Attia is among the most brilliant people I've ever met, and he's succeeded in packing a life's worth of insights into this book. It promises to be one of the most important books you will ever read. So this will be a nice book for me to read. I am actually doing some in-home care and hospice care right now. And one of my ladies that I have been with for quite some time is on hospice. And it is absolutely awful. She's 95 years old. She has lived a long life and she is one tough cookie. I love her to pieces. So definitely want to read that book. What else is in here? I was not expecting that, by the way. By the feel of it, I really just thought it was a wallet and wasn't sure of the other item. But this is the other item because this is a multiple. I love multiples because you get more bang for your buck. But what in the world? Oh, this is a flashlight by the looks. We have a battery compartment for a battery that, of course, won't go back in. It's like a vacuum cleaner. You take them apart to fix them, and you can never get them back together the way they come out. We have a nice flashlight. It's got, oh, this one charges. It has a charging cord. So this flashlight charges. This is by Rechargeable Flashlight User Manual. Does not really tell me who it's by, but it has a user manual, so that's a plus. Sometimes these items don't come with any instructions whatsoever, and you got to guess what everything is. But hey, that's a pretty nice looking flashlight, actually. USB, charges, probably has a backup battery, different setting levels. That's awesome. I really like that flashlight. My boyfriend would probably want to keep that flashlight. I'm not really sure if I'll keep this flashlight or if this will be included in the giveaway. I'll have to get back to you on that. But, however, if this is something that you would like to win, go ahead and drop it down in the comment section below. Because if I decide to not keep it, it will be part of the giveaway and you could possibly win it. Again, publicly subscribed. That's super important. Like and comment. Okay, not too bad. Package, not horrible. I'm going to try to pop everything up here if I can find prices so we know how much my value is. This one is the second package. They always black out the names, so we never can really tell. Sometimes you can tell who it was meant to go to, but not always. Let's see. Sometimes we like to guess and see if we can guess what's in them. Ooh, oh. I almost discarded that multiples. Ah, this looks like it is a flag. I see, or is it chopsticks? What the heck is that? Two of these, whatever that is. Oh dear. Okay. I don't know, but it looks like a hot mess. Whatever it is. It's got strings going everywhere. It's got a little bow. I don't know. If I can figure out what this is, I will let you know. And if you guys happen to know by chance what this is, let me know in the comments because I've got no idea. It comes with sticks, so maybe it's some kind of a weird curtain. Definitely something I have never seen. I would think that's chopsticks, but I don't think that's chopsticks. No clue this is in here because there's more. But wait, there's more. Ooh, that one's not, that one's wrapped. Okay, that's it. So let's see. What is in this little one? I wonder if they go together or if they're separate. What in the... Well, this is going to be a guess what your package is box, I think. Well, first thing, little remote. Looks like a little fan remote. But this most certainly does not look like a little fan. And that is a battery pack. It holds 3 batteries. I literally have absolutely no idea. Again, maybe this goes with that and that lights up, but I don't know. Combination in wave, sequential, slow glow, chasing flash, slow fade, twinkle flash, steady on and off. This is some kind of a lighting system. I don't know what you would use this for. Okay. Unless it goes with whatever is in that bag that I can't figure out. It's very bizarre. Okay. Double package that I have absolutely no idea what they are. Nothing else in there. Thought maybe I was missing something, but no, I'm not. So far, this box is a bust. Hi, Gemma. Hello. Do you know what this is? You just know it's making crinkle noises, and that's what you like. You like crinkle toys. All right, let's open this big blue package, whatever it is. There is no writing on this whatsoever. So, or did it say? No writing on here. No idea what it is. Let's hope it's better than the first two. I have had some pretty good boxes, let me just tell you. Oh, this looks interesting. This is, ooh, Diet Coke can-shaped cooler backpack. Now, how stinking cool is that? That looks absolutely awesome. I am definitely thrilled with this. Do I need a backpack? Probably not. But because it's Diet Coke, I feel like I do. Huh. This is probably something that I am going to keep. My brother worked for Coke for quite a lot of years, and he just retired. I'm not going to pull it out of this box tonight, but a Diet Coke backpack. Who knew that something like this even existed? That's kind of cool. This one looks like there are multiples in here. This one is another one that says it's wrapped by FUNDELIVERED, and they just rewrapped it. It kind of is going, making some noise. How many is this? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the 4th package out of the 5 that we're going to unbox today, or unwrap today. I'm always afraid I'm going to cut into something. Multiples of whatever it is in here. Bulb Man. What in the world? Whatever Bulb Man is, Absorption one-touch switch. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of these in here. Let's see if we can figure out what Bulb Man is. They're all the same. Oh my, for crying out loud. It's literally exactly what it says. It's a Bulb Man. And it looks like it's going to suction cup to your windows. Okay, I have now officially seen it all. I don't know how they're going to work. Oh, wait a minute. Does he have a button up here? Oh, he does. He has a button up under his... You got to reach between his legs to get to the button, and he glows. And then you can just suction cup him to your window. Oh my goodness. How cute is that? Another one. Have not seen anything quite like that either. If you would like to win a bulb man, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and I will send you out a bulb man. Or 2. I have 8. Interesting. I wasn't expecting that either. I think I'll do this one, which is another Wrapped by FUNDELIVERED. And this is the last one I'm going to do in today's video. We'll unbox the rest in another one. Oh, they have taped this right to the hilt. And it's just stuck right to the packaging. Good Lord. All right, what in the heck? Patriot. Ooh, Patriot tumbler. One of the last boxes I got, I had the Halloween tumblers. I see a lot of people unbox those too. So this is a Patriots Tumbler Club. My son might like that. He's addicted to his Yetis. He's got 100 million Yetis. He likes American flag stuff. I don't really see any American flag on here. No, we're just sure, let me drop everything and work on your problem tumbler. Oh my goodness, that's cute. That's really cute. I don't know why it's labeled Patriots Tumbler Club when it has nothing to do with a patriot or an American flag. But it's nice nonetheless. I like the saying on it. I do not need another tumbler myself, so if anybody would like a chance to win the tumbler, comment down below and be subscribed to my channel. All right, and that was our 5 packages for this box. There are 5 left in here. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and check out the other channels of people who do FUNDELIVERED because they are a lot of fun. Thanks for watching, you guys. I love opening these boxes, and the more subscribers I get, the more boxes I can get and do more giveaways for you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.